Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 30th, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. We're here to give you the top losers so far in the day for the cryptocurrency space. If you all can probably see, it is PIVX, Gas, and Zcash. Okay, these currencies are definitely showing you a lot of percentage losses as of this particular moment. So I thought I'll just go ahead and show you how low these currencies will go. Now, before I get started, I definitely want to promote our paid service, which is done on our HueFin News Patreon page. For $3 a month, you guys have access to our analysis that we provide for the cryptocurrency space, as well as any other financial markets that we think would be a benefit to our members, because we predict the markets. We are forecasting where we expect the cryptocurrency market to go. Stocks, equities, commodities, gold, silver, whatever the case may be, we are forecasting with precision exactly where these currencies, equities, commodities are forecasted to move. And if that sounds of interest to you, then definitely come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page. The link is going to be in the description of this video if that sounds interesting. Okay, now let's just go ahead and get started in our analysis for today. The first one up in the losers section is going to be PIVX. So we're looking at PIVX on the daily price chart. You guys can definitely see that its currency is down 8.35%. The last trade was $1.12, and we saw a huge up move in the market just yesterday. But given the fact that the bar closed towards the middle of the bar, shows you that a lot of sellers came into the market today. So right now, I'm gonna tell you, continuation to the downside is still in play. $1 cannot be broken. That looks like it's going to be trying to hold as support for PIVX over the next couple of trading days. So literally you can see here on the 3-hour chart as well that PIVX is still giving us a lot of weakness in this particular space. You can see here you have a little bit better that $1.05 definitely seems like a logical area for this currency to find support. As of right now, it is trying to hold $1.09 as support, or $1.10. Okay, so expect that to continue, but the weakness is definitely still here on this chart. So I'm not expecting PIVX to hold $1.10. Matter of fact, I'm still looking for this currency to move to the downside. Look for $1.05, even $1 to hold as support. Now let's go ahead and take another look at gas. Okay, so gas was literally maybe 2 days ago. You can see here how the market was trading around $5.50 and shot all the way up there to $11 and ended the day around $7. So weakness is still here in gas today. Okay, the market is not overly strong, but I'm still expecting this currency to move to the downside, just like with PIVX. $5.50 definitely seems like an area for this market to find support. Let's see a little bit better on the 3-hour chart for gas, and we're just literally within the consolidation phase for this market, but as you can still tell, weakness is coming into this space. Okay, the market looked like it's trying to hold support at $6.05, which is probable, but given the fact that we have seen such lack of interest to the upside recently, definitely that $6.05 is in jeopardy for it to hold support. Taking another look, you can see that we're just simply within the consolidation in gas at this particular moment, but these bars definitely shows you nothing but weakness is coming to the market. So the last hope is for $6 to maintain the support. Okay, if we break $6 over the next couple of hours in gas, then definitely the movement to the downside is still in play. That is literally the only thing that would allow this market to move to the upside, is if $6 holds support quite well. And it's doing it right now, but given the huge movement to the downside that we've seen recently, definitely leads me to expect that we run still a slight probability that it can break. Okay, so as of this particular moment, I'm looking for gas to continue to move to the downside. $6 cannot be broken in order for us to maintain a consolidation though. So now we're looking at Zcash. Okay, so Zcash is down 3.48%. Last trade was $128.96, and the market for Zcash is still weak. This is the third day that this currency is continuing to show its weakness. $120 looked like the logical area for this market to try to come and hold support. You can see here on this particular day, the 22nd of August, that it came all the way down to 124. So I can see that occurring as well. in Zcash, but definitely there is no strength coming into the market for this particular currency. Expect the market for Zcash to continue to move to the downside. You can see here that $125 is going to try to hold as support, but we are seeing exceedingly a lot of volume coming in on that 3-hour bar, so definitely need to be careful in Zcash in order for this market to maintain its ability to consolidate. So as of this particular moment, yes, expect the market to move to the downside. In the event that it does move to the upside, you can see here that $131 could be the first area of resistance that this currency will have to break. But given the amount of volume that is coming in on this 1-hour bar, definitely shows the fact that we can continue to move to the downside. Okay, so like I said, I just wanted to give you all the top losers of the market currently as of 2:46 p.m. on September 30, 2018. They are PIVX, gas, and Zcash. These three currencies are definitely hitting the market quite well in the movement lower in price. Again, if you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis or even getting our price predictions before the market actually moves, then come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page. In the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.